In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1921, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that a person is not one of the true Muslims if they fail to show mercy to the young, respect the elders and command good and forbid evil. All people, irrespective of their faith, age or social status, must be treated with respect and kindness. In fact, a person cannot be a true believer until they love for others what they love for themselves. This has been advised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2515. And this undoubtedly includes being treated by others in a kind way. In addition, one cannot be a true Muslim or believer until they keep their verbal and physical harm away from others and their possessions. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sunnah and Nasai, number 4998. Showing mercy to the young includes guiding them towards the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, through fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will ensure they use the worldly blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This leads to peace and success in both worlds. Chapter 16 and now, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
Teaching the young must be done through leading by example, as this is the most effective way in guiding others, especially the youth. They should be encouraged to only accompany good people, as a person adopts the negative or positive characteristics of their companions. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4833. Finally, they should be shown that Islam is a simple and easy religion which allows them to have plenty of lawful fun. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4835. Being merciful to the young will teach them to also be merciful to others. The one who shows mercy to others will receive mercy from Allah, the Exalted. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 7376. Respecting elders includes being patient with them and not arguing with them. A Muslim can disagree with elders, but good manners and respect must be maintained at all times. They must be supported at all times, which includes physical, emotional, and financial support. It is important to note that showing respect to elders does not mean one should allow them to disobey Allah, the Exalted. One should object to evil in a respectful and kind manner, and never let someone's age prevent them from doing so. This has been indicated in the last part of the main narration, under discussion. Simply put, how one treats elders is how they will be treated by others if and when they become elderly. Finally, a Muslim must gently command good and forbid evil according to Islamic knowledge. Harshness often pushes people away from the truth. When possible, one should advise others in private, as doing so publicly can embarrass people. An embarrassed person is less likely to heed good advice. A Muslim should continue with this duty whether it affects people or not, as this is not under their control. They will be rewarded for their sincere intention and efforts. One should never give up in this duty in respect to their dependents, as it is their duty to guide their dependents. Finally, one should strive to act on their own advice to the best of their ability, otherwise their advice to others will become ineffective.